What's up everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Karen here and I'm back with another video. Today I'm going to be doing a makeup look and I'm going to be featuring some new items that I've just purchased. So let's get right into it. The first thing that is not new is my primer, which I absolutely love, and it's the Blur Primer by YSL. Is that right? Yes, YSL Primer, and it has the little specks of gold in it. It's so good, and it is definitely a blur primer. Like, it takes your pores out of the equation, so I'm happy about that. That is not new. As you can see, I've been using it. This is the first bottle and I really like it. I'm trying to use it sparingly because it was expensive, so gotta save, you know, use it here and there. And today is also a new item I just picked up from Sephora. Is the Goof Proof Brow Pencil from Benefit, and that's how it looks. And it has a little edge here, and this, I've never used this kind of pencil where it has like the triangle situation, so I'm excited to see how that works out. I've always used just the regular pencil or the Anastasia Dip Brow. So let's get started. Let me just go ahead and do my eyebrows really quickly. Okay, and now I'm going to clean them up, and today I'm also using the Fenty Primer. It's the Pro Filter Primer, and I have only used it once. Still getting into the hang of using it. I think it's so creamy, and a little goes a long way, because the other day I used it, and you know how you do your highlight and you go here, and it just multiplied when I started patting it out. So definitely a little goes a long way. So I'm gonna take my brush and just clean up my brows. I'm using the color 440 in the primer, but in my shade, which I'm running a little low that I have to actually open the bottle and I have to get some more, I am shade, where is it, 470. So if you want to kind of gauge it, I'm just going to take some and set my under eye. Taking my beauty sponge. Okay, so eyebrows are done. Now let's get into the foundation, and again I'm going in with my Fenty Pro Filter Foundation, and I'm in the color 470. Okay, so let's go ahead with the concealer, and like I said, a little goes a long way, so definitely use it sparingly. And I'm just going to leave that on there a little bit and go ahead and use the Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder, and I have the color is Deep, and I purchased this some time ago, haven't really used it, so you can consider this like a new item as well. Okay, so I'm also going to be going in for contour with the Fenty Beauty Espresso Matchstick. Turned into a Fenty Beauty tutorial, but I mean, that's what I rock with. So let's go ahead and blend out the highlight. When I tell you a little goes a long way, that's what I really, really love about this. Okay, so my camera died, so I'm back, and I just put some blush on. It's not new, it's the NARS. Oh my god, it's scratched off, so I don't even know, but it's a NARS blush, and I always use it in all my videos, but I'll link it down below just in case. So I got this idea from Nyma Tang to feature and try out the Maybelline Color Sensational lipsticks. Now the skinny with these lipsticks is that they try them on 50 different shade people, and that these lipsticks are supposed to work for any skin tone. So I'm like, I seen Nyma's video, shout out to her, she's amazing and I love her so much. She reps so hard for the dark skin sisters, and I will link her channel below and put something here to show her video. But she had 6 colors, but I was only able to find 3 in my Walmart. I gotta look around because maybe in my Walgreens there are more, but I was just rushing back to do the video. So they tried them on 50 different shades of women, and they're supposed to be able to transcend every shade. So that's what I'm going to try to do for you today. Today I'm trying on the Mauve for Me, and this is what it looks like. This is the packaging. It comes in a package like this, and it's like that is the color. Hold on. And this is supposed to work for dark skinned women, people. So it's supposed to work from all kinds of skin tones. So I'm so excited to try them. And then of course I had to get a red, and it's called Ruby for Me. And this is the way it looks. So pretty. The last one I got, and these were kind of like sold out. So I'm like, wait a minute, and why am I not in the loop here? I didn't know that these were coming out and the story behind them. The last one I got is Spice for Me, and it looks like this. Beautiful orangey red color. So I'm so excited to try them out. I'm gonna try them out like she did, without a lip liner and then with a lip liner. Okay, so let's start with Spice for Me. And they're supposed to be super, super pigmented, so here goes nothing. Ooh, I love it. I love it, guys. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's try it with a liner. Please tell me which one is your favorite. But definitely, if you want to see the rest of the shades, check out Nyma's page, because she has, I think, all 6 or 7 shades. But this is so cool. I love this color. Okay, let's try it with a liner. So much easier to put the lip liner on before. Let's see. Can you guys see a difference? I love it. Oh my gosh, I'm really in love with this lip. And I feel like the brown on my eyes playing with the orange and my lip is just like, oh yes, I love it. Definitely will wear this again. So let's go ahead and try the next color. Okay, so I know I'm dark skinned and I know I can't be the only one that is scared of a mauve color. As sisters, we always have to, sorry, got a little. As sisters, we always have to line our lips before putting on a mauve color. So this claims that it tried it on all 50 shades and everybody can wear it. So this is mauve for me. This is how it looks. Which, okay, I'm here for the mauve if I can do it. If I can't do it, I don't want to be out here looking like a clown. Okay, so here we go. So here's the mauve. In the camera, it looks like it's very light. But in person, it's not that bad. But I definitely would not wear this without a liner. So while I love it, I mean, it's super, super nice, I just feel like I definitely need a liner so I'm not out here with these huge pink lips and just, yeah. So I'm gonna put on a liner. With the liner, I like it a little more. I think that it's a pretty color. I really would wear it if I'm wearing something soft or like on a Sunday and I want to look really floral and pretty. I think it would be a nice color, but I would definitely line it first, and I would definitely line it a little more, but I had the lipstick on already, so that's what you get. But it's cute and I love it. It glides on, it's creamy, it's not sucking out all the moisture out of your lips, so I definitely appreciate it. So yeah, tell me what you think, guys. Moving on to the last color. I definitely love it. I think it's just your standard red. It's really, really red. It's like a cherry red, bright cherry red, which I really love. Again, on dark skin, it makes your teeth look whiter when you wear red lipstick, as everyone probably knows. So yeah, I love these shades and I'm very happy with the decisions that I've made. I wouldn't have normally picked the mauve color if I didn't know about the lipsticks prior to watching Nima's video, but I definitely picked it up with a little more confidence, like, hey, I can try it. So let me know what you guys think. Definitely check out Nima's channel to watch her video. It's so informational. Thank you so much for watching, and let me know if you like this look, and please comment, like, and subscribe.